Today I'll be talking about how to use Zoom to join, create, and manage video calls and meetings. Since we are in a pandemic, video calling is super important. Zoom is one of the most commonly used video calling platforms and can be used for both work-related communication as well as personal communication. I'll be talking about both using Zoom on a computer as well as a phone. First, I'll be talking about how to use Zoom on a computer. Once your computer is on and you are logged in, open the Zoom application by clicking on the icon on the desktop or by searching it. To search for applications, if you're on an Apple or Mac computer, press on the Command and Space keys at the same time, then type Zoom. If you're on a Windows device running Windows 10, press in the type here to search box on the bottom left of the screen and then type Zoom. Once Zoom is open, you can join the meeting. Either input the specific Zoom ID and password, then your desired name, or click the Zoom URL that was once in the meeting invitation. Once you have entered the meeting, there are many options. The main meeting controls are located along the bottom of your screen. If these disappear, you can press the Alt key on your keyboard to make them reappear. On the lower left, you can see the microphone indication to show whether or not you are muted, and the video indication to show whether or not your video is enabled. To enable or disable your microphone or video, press the respective icon with your mouse. To create a meeting on a computer, open the Zoom application, then select the small plus icon. Select Schedule Meeting. There are a lot of options here, but the good news is most of them don't really apply. You can name the meeting and set a date and time of which the meeting will occur. The duration of the meeting does not matter. You could continue to stay on the meeting even longer than the scheduled duration. You can make this a recurring meeting if you wish. The passcode will be set automatically, as will the meeting ID. I recommend leaving the meeting ID to generate automatically, as it will give each meeting you schedule a unique code to join. As for the rest of the options, you can pretty much ignore them. The video option just changes whether or not the video is on by default, which can all be changed in the meeting. When hosting a meeting, you have administrative control over all the participants in the meeting. To kick members, mute, or disable their videos, simply click on the three dots on the top right corner of their profile box or video, and select the desired option. Next, I'll be talking about how to join a Zoom meeting on your phone. First, install the Zoom app from the respective app library for your device, which is the App Store for iPhones and iPads, and the Play Store for Android devices. On phones, the easiest way to join a Zoom meeting is to tap the link on your Zoom invitation. This will take you directly to the meeting. Alternatively, you can also open the Zoom app and manually type in the Zoom meeting ID and password. Once you are in a Zoom meeting, you have the same controls as you do on the desktop version of Zoom. They are just differently placed. If the menu at the bottom to control video and microphone is off, not visible, tap the screen and it should reappear. There is also different view options, which can make it easier to see more people in the meeting. Given that it is a small screen, you may need to swipe to one side to see everybody. In this video, you learned how to join and create Zoom meetings on computers and iPhones, and I wish you the best of luck on your Zoom ventures.